Hello, this is Blake Modern Roofing. We're out here at Mr. Stover's house doing a repairability. Obviously, we have a wind damage shingle here, wind damage shingle here. Seals are completely broken, creases along the top. We have a partial approval here, so we're going to take this shingle out and put a brand new one in, and just see how it does. But we'll first start by just breaking the seals. Some mat transfer on here. Lots of them. So we got a pretty good amount of mat transfer. If you're going to give me the phone here for a second, I'll get some close-ups of this stuff. Get some mat transfer going on right in here. Some of it going on right here. You can see clear as day some going on right here. Look at that. And you can see it right on the tar line right there. So the reason mat transfer is going to be a concern is these shingles are never going to seal back down properly. So you'll probably notice on these shingles, there's not much going on as far as mat transfer goes. So, I mean, these shingles should sit down fairly quickly. But yeah, we'll put the brand new shingle in and see how it does. See if they're sealing down properly. Give you back the phone. Good. Straight in. Some bruising going on from the snake tool on the older shingles. And now this one right into mat transfer. And a little bit of bruising as well right in there. Nice now. So, main concern is going to be that mat transfer. It was quite literally on all the shingles. We had some small bruising. Let me get a piece of chalk so I can start with this stuff. some small bruising right there, right there. Let me get some close-ups of it. Some small bruising going on right here. Just trying to put the snake tools in. But as you guys saw, I mean, the mat transfer was, you can see like this shingle is already sealing down compared to this. I mean, it'll never seal back down properly, these shingles. Because once again, I mean, you can see clear as day the mat transfer on these shingles. But yeah, that should be it. I do want to show you guys the process.
Also want to show you guys some of the hail marks that there are. Textbook hail, as well as the vents, as you can see. Collateral everywhere. These are markings from the last adjusters. Test square where the repair was. And that concludes this video, and we do not think this roof is repairable.